Monire, Monire, Monire Mosa, Dampokererani. So on this channel, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is spoken in Malawi, where I come from, especially in the northern region of Malawi, and also in neighboring countries like Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and places like that. So without wasting much of your time, in this video, we are looking at the language of clothes for men. The video yesterday, which came out yesterday on the 16th of February 2026, was about the language of clothes for women. So this one, probably this is why you are seeing me dressing as if I'm going to the moon, but because we are talking we're talking about language of clothes for men. So let's get right into it. Okay, so men clothes. Vya kuvara va vadada. Vadada is just, it means father, but also it means men. But we can also say vanarumi. But usually when we say vadada ava, but you just mean this man, this is what he did to me. Or this man, this is what they did. Or this man, so we still use vadada. Vadada ava, meaning this man. While at the same time, Dada is father. So it's not like you are calling him father as your father, but it can be used interchangeably with a man. Just means a man. Shirt, shati. So Chitumbuka, shati. It's borrowed word vesti, vesti, as you can see, it's all English. Trouser, buluku. Or flare. Flare is also a flare, isn't it? Like big trouser that goes bigger at the bottom of a. So we people also say flare. Nipan flare yani, as long as it's a little bit bigger. Short kabuntu. Shorts plural makabuntu. You just add the MA at the beginning. Panty, panty. We can also say vyamkati, but because you just don't want to go explicit. So vyamkati means something that we wear inside. Vya, as you may have noticed, is VYA, mu, MU, K, KR, T, TE, or I, vyamkati. KATI, okay. Trouser buluku. I put here repeated, it means I've already said the trouser, yes, a trouser buluku, or flare, whether it was for the emphasis, but I guess because I'm doing these videos at night, so it's the brain is a bit clogged. Tie, tie. It's again maju ya kubwereka. Kubwereka means borrowing. Maju words, so borrowed words from Chizungu. Chizungu is English. So maju ya kubwereka kuchizungu. Tai, tai. Polishi, polishi. Hmm? Shoes, shapato. Underwear. I think panty has also come again here. Panty, panty. Underwear, panty. T-shirt. T-shirt. It's also an English word. Just say slowly. T-shirt. Or sikipa. So sometimes what differentiates between t-shirt and skipper is the material it is made. Skipper is meant to be stretchable, something that is stretchable. It's the same form of a t-shirt, but it's a bit stretchable. It's like skipper. Sports shoes. Shapato yotimbira bora. Bora is football. Utimba is playing. Shapato is shoes. So much as here it's talking about sports, like as in any sports. But usually we just say shapat zotimbira bora ziriko. Where are the shoes for sports shoes? Caps, chipewa. Chipewa cha kepusi. Chipewa is a hat. You know, HAT. the hat that you wear. So this is a type of chipewa. Chipewa cha kapusi, chipewa cha choluka, chipewa cha hudu, like the one that I'm wearing, if we can see it. So that's chipewa, vipewa vya kupambana pambana. Okay, jacket, jekete, or bachi, because jekete is borrowed word. Bachi means the same thing, jacket. Suit. So that's it for the language of men's clothes. Uh, I hope you learned something. It's a short video, but keep watching. Please share with your family, your children. Yeah, I was so happy. I saw one of the comment who was saying, "Oh, my children will be binging on this." I'm like, "Yeah," because yeah, it's just normal type of content. So just learning a language, really. So if they have time, why not? All right. Thank you so much and bye. Taonga chomeni. Zwali weme.